Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add attachment to Microsoft Teams meeting invite. So just open up your Microsoft Team meeting, then just come to calendar from the left-hand navigation bar. And after that, from here, just click on new meeting. And it's gonna allow you to create a new meeting. From here, you can give a meeting title, add people who you want to be in the meeting, give a time, and also repeat the meeting if you want to, and also add a location. But just below that, you have the details for this meeting. This is the most important part because we're gonna add our documents here. Now basically just type anything over here, any details of your meeting. And after that, just type some text and you can click on this insert link button. And inside this link, you can add your document links. You can either upload them to Google Drive or anything, or just share the Google Docs link and just paste the link over here. And after you do that, just click on insert after you have inserted your document links. And basically that is how you can attach your files or documents to your meeting invite link. And now when you go ahead and copy the meeting link, and if you send this to people, the document will be in the meeting description itself. And basically that is how to add attachment to Microsoft Teams meeting invite. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.